Have you ever been in a situation, whether it's a work or school, and you find it so hard to edit your PDF documents? Okay, someone sends you a file and it's in PDF format, and there are times you need to edit something there and you don't know what to do. So here it is. A few days ago, UPDF reached out to me with their software, and they're kind enough to sponsor today's review. So without further ado, let me show you what's UPDF and why you should have this in your laptops or even on phones to work with your PDF documents. UPDF is the only PDF editor that allows users to have one account and still have access to all the UPDF files across all devices. When I was studying, teachers have different stuff for their handouts. Some give us papers just like the old days, some are in Google Drive and Google Docs, and some are in PDF. And we all know that PDF are hard to make changes right on the spot, especially when we're really in a hurry. So before, I tried to find PDF editors and I already tried a lot, but they're kind of missing features what I truly needs and wants. So I often ended up figuring out ways which is time consuming on my end. And when UPDF reached out to me, I was so excited to try it and share it with you guys. Okay, on your computer or laptop, the screen will be look like this. Just click the tool on top. You can highlight a word or phrase and even draw using the pencil. You can also change its properties, its color, opacity, and thickness. And this is one of the most important part in a PDF editor. Click the Edit PDF icon, the one with paper and pen, then click the text or phrase you want to edit. You can remove or add more words or phrases just like in a document, so modify the text as per your requirement. And not only that, you can also drag to select the text and you can change the font size, font style, text alignment, and more. UPDF AI for Mac offers two modes, the Ask PDF mode and the Chat mode. You can also convert your PDF files to whichever format you like. And this is another great feature which Mac users can now safeguard their PDFs through password protection or reduction using UPDF program. So let's dive in and explore what makes this software the best PDF editor. So today I'll be using my Android phone. First, download UPDF in your Play Store, App Store, or App Gallery. Just search UPDF and there you go. Let's install it. It will just take a few seconds. Wait till it's reached 100% and open it. Once you open it, click Accept and Proceed. Now, you need to create your UPDF account. You need an email address for this. Then, click Continue to set up your password. And it's all set. Now you have your UPDF account just like that. And to open your PDF file, you need to click on the plus sign and then click Activate. It will direct you to your folders. Choose the folder of the file you want to add on your UPDF. By doing that, you need to click Allow Access to and your folder name. And here it is. I have imported some of my PDF documents. Enhance your PDFs with UPDF's annotation tools. Okay, for the highlight, you can long press on the highlight button and then choose the color you want for your highlighter. Now I'm just gonna highlight anything on my PDF, just like this. And it also have an auto and redo button, which is very helpful. Other than highlight, it also have an underline feature. Just long press an option to choose the color of the underline and simply hover over the text that you want to underline. Let's also try the strike through option. Do the same thing like before. To strike through the text, just hover over the text that you want to strike through. This one is a squirrely line. To change the color, just long press the option, and to apply it on text, just hover over the text. Okay, here another feature which is really helpful is that you can add a text comment, text box, and a text call out. Okay, wait, let me show you. Okay, this one. This one is a text comment. And now I will add a text box. A little bit the same from text comment, but a text in a box. Just like this. Okay, this is a text call out, which I find really handy. Let me show you. I'll go ahead and put one right here. Yes, and so here's the text comment, text box, and the text call out I added. Aid your workflow with the stamps and signatures. So, for example, you need to put your signature here in this part. Using UPDF, you just need to tap the pencil icon on the top bar. You can even select the pencil size from the range of available options. Long press on the selected pencil option to choose the color, thickness, and transparency of the pencil. And there you have it, you can now easily sign your PDF documents without hassle. Edit existing text or add extra words to your PDF file. All you need to do is click the paper with pen icon and then click on the text or paragraph you want to edit. You will see a purple border line indicating which paragraph you have selected. Take the cursor to the text you want to edit and start modifying the text. Other than editing text, you can also change text color, font size, text alignment, and text size. Easy yet exciting ways to edit images in your PDF files. Tap the edit icon in the top menu. It will launch the editing mode. And then tap to select the images that you want to edit. You can choose copy, cut, delete, crop, and replace from all the given options. Here, I choose replace, then I'll choose images from my album. I'll choose this one. Okay, this feature is one of the most looking for in a PDF editor together with edit text. Make your PDF file easy to share on social media, websites, email, and so on. With UPDF, you can swiftly compress a PDF into reduced size while maintaining formatting and visual quality. Click on the three dot and select Reduce File Size. Make it easy to add new folders, move files, and perform other actions. Easily organize your files by creating and managing folders in the UPDF. Tap the plus symbol and then a pop-up will show up. Give the folder name you want in the editable field. This will be your new folder. Once you set the folder name, tap Done. So how would you manage your folders? To execute operations on a folder, you can long press the folder or click the three dots to see options. You can rename, move, copy, duplicate, delete, share, email, compress, and add to favorites. Let's explore the powerful search capabilities by UPDF software. From your entire PDF using the search feature allows user to efficiently search for keywords, phrases, and specific content. Enter a word or phrase you want to locate in your PDF file. Once you hit the search button, all the words or words will appear on the results screen. With UPDF, you can easily organize pages on your devices. Managing PDF pages for users who frequently work on a PDF is a great thing. So click on the three dots and then choose Organize Pages. I'm just reordering the pages, but you can also rotate, insert, extract, copy and paste, share, and delete pages. Edit existing text or add extra words to the PDF file. I really can say that UPDF is the best PDF editor out there. Now try to highlight a word or phrase you want to and then options will appear. You can click UPDF AI. You can choose prompt, summarize, explain, and you can also translate it. When you're on your PDF file open on UPDF, click this icon. It has two sections which is Ask PDF and Chat. And let's see how it will respond to me. I will try anime and yeah, it's kinda random but it's okay. Why not, right? Look, it's generating the answer to my random question. You can try this one. Oh, well, I gotta say it's done a pretty good job. So I play a little bit more to its AI feature. So I copied the previous answer it given me and tried to translate it to Chinese. You can access UPDF AI features on both Windows and Mac computers as well as on iPhone and Android devices. The chat mode of the UPDF is really amazing. You're not just limited to your PDF content only, and just like that, you can ask it whatever you want beyond your PDF content. All in all, with this AI chat mode, you can summarize, translate, explain, human-like conversation, writing and rewriting, and spell check. So with all that being said, I already left the link down in the description with an exclusive 73% off discount, so make sure not to miss out on that. If not, you can still register an account for free trial and whenever you want to, so just try out this software. I'm sure you're gonna love this as much as I do. Once again, thank you so much UPDF for sponsoring today's video, and to you guys who always there for me. See you on my next one. Bye bye. Take care.